leaving. Some of them ain't, but some of them still sticking around. Chili farm. They going crazy. Look at them, y'all. Look at them. Look at them. They coming back, y'all. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. The good thing is a lot of seeds on the ground. Can't get a picture of them on the ground, but they're all on the ground right now. But wait till they fly away. Oh, there you go. You could just hear the wings. Once they take off, everybody takes off. You could just hear the wings just flapping in the air. It's pretty awesome. When you hear all of them bunched off together and they take off, you hear it. They're enjoying that. There you go. Y'all heard that little wind? That was dope.